The rule in EB-5 is that you're investing in an investment that is at risk. That means that there's a possibility you may not get any of your money back, or you may not get all of your money back, but there's also a chance you could actually make money on an investment. So the issue is, how do you minimize the possibility that you won't get your money back? And that is the issue of doing a due diligence. If you do a due diligence, or you hire someone to do a due diligence, or you go through a broker-dealer, a licensed security agent who's licensed to sell limited partnership interests, they can give you advice as to the financial viability of the project and the chance that you will get your full amount of money back. As a matter of fact, you can find out from the regional centers that you're looking at their history on returning money. There are numerous regional centers that have, over the years, given all of the money back that you invested. In other words, the $500,000. Now, on another point relating to getting your money back, and that is, let's say you file for your EB-5 on an application called I-526, which is the initial application you file when you choose an investment. You make the investment of $500,000, plus all regional centers have an add-on of an administrative fee of anywhere between $40,000 and $60,000. So let's say you've invested $550,000, including the administrative fee. And then for any reason, the I-526 is not approved. There are two basic reasons it couldn't be approved. One is immigration doesn't approve your source of funds. In other words, the documentation that you submitted showing where the money came from that you invested. Or number two, they think that the project doesn't qualify for EB-5. Now, the chances of that happening are, under the current figures, let's say around 20%. So there is a chance that your case would not be approved. You can also get statistics from the regional center that you choose on what their own statistics are. Many regional centers have a 100% approval rate on I-526 applications. So let's just say, for the sake of argument, that you should get a case where, for whatever reason, your case isn't approved. Then in almost all agreements that you sign with the regional center, it states that if for any reason your I-526 isn't approved, they will refund the whole amount that you've invested to them, the $500,000 and the administrative fee. So it's important to have your immigration lawyer review this provision with you, because some allow the regional center to appeal, some they have 90 days to give the money back, and some are more restrictive. Now, the next is the I-829. The I-829 is the application that you file to what is called remove the condition. What that means is, let's say you filed the I-526, that was approved, then you apply for your conditional green card, and that's approved. So you're now in the U.S. with a 2-year conditional green card. All EB-5 initial approvals are for 2 years. So let's say it's taken 2 years to get your case approved, and then you arrive in the U.S. based on an approved case. Another 2 years goes by. The last 3 months of that 2 years on your conditional green card, you have to apply to remove the condition. At that time, the regional center has to demonstrate that number one, they've completed the project. Number two, that they've created the jobs for everyone in the regional center. So assuming they can do that, then you get a permanent green card. If for any reason they can't, then you wouldn't be able to get a permanent green card. Now, the rules of immigration are that a regional center cannot give you your money back if your permanent green card is not approved. So it can give you your money back if your initial application is approved, but cannot guarantee to give you your money back to get your permanent green card. It may be that you will get your money back, but the question was, can the money back be guaranteed that you would get it back? And at that point, it can't.